Hey, my name's Melissa from Big Universe Music, and today we're going to be learning Wildwood Flower and a little bit about the Carter scratch. So grab your guitar and let's get started. The Carter scratch is a style of guitar playing invented by Mother Maybelle Carter, who is a member of the famous country group called the Carter family. The Carter family is credited with basically inventing country music as we know it today. They performed and wrote hits like Keep on the Sunny Side, Will a Circle Be Unbroken, and Wildwood Flower. Mother Maybelle Carter invented this style of playing by listening to recordings or the radio at home when she was young in Virginia. She says in a biography that she learned and invented this style based loosely off of the Hawaiian style guitar playing that was being played on the radio in those times. Mother Maybelle's style of playing is known as the Carter scratch, and it has two key elements. One is a moving bass line on the lower strings. Two is a melody on the lower strings. And three is a frail on the upper strings as you're playing the melody in the root. This differs from what we call Travis picking, because the Travis picking typically plays the melody on the upper strings, and the Carter scratch will pluck out the melody on the lower strings. The easiest way to navigate these songs that use chords and melody at the same time is first by learning the chord progression. So let's talk about the chords that happen in the song Wildwood Flower. The C chord, the G chord, and the F chord. Although to make it easier for myself, I typically play an F major 7 there. Because as I'm picking the melody, I find it easier to play an F major 7 than to leave my pointer finger down on the bar and my pinky here. I need my pinky, so I free it up so that I can play the melody. We know our chords. It's just that simple 1, 4, and 5 chords that we encounter so much in folk and country music. The next thing we want to learn how to do is to play the melody. The melody is going to happen as much as we can around the lower 3 or 4 strings. Here's how it goes. One more time, sped up. Once you've mastered the chord progression and the melody, put them together by adding what we call a frail or an upstroke with your pick in between those moments in the melody. Another thing that you can add that I just demonstrated is not just playing the melody, but when the melody pauses and the chord changes, you can add something we call a walk up in the bass to help you change chords. I'll try to demonstrate that just on the chord progression. And here it is up to speed. And that's how I play the Wildwood Flower featuring the Carter Scratch. Make sure to grab the PDF in the link below if you want to play along with the tab, and like and subscribe for more guitar lessons just like this, and I'll see you in the next lesson.